do if you lost your pet unicorn? Hurry up to cook its favorite dessert. Why? Watch our new video to know why. Learn new rainbow recipes for the magic animal. Our unicorn is sleeping peacefully, having pleasant dreams. I wonder what it is dreaming about. A travel into a fairyland? A dragon party? Wake up, sleepyhead! Good morning! Miss Gonzalez has a small fluffy present for you. It's a cute dog. This is a special breed, Frou-Frou, that can easily make friends with unicorns. I wonder who would win the cutest creature in the world contest, unicorn or Frou-Frou. Now it has someone to play with. Happy Miss Gonzalez goes to cook breakfast. We've got pancakes for breakfast today, but they are not regular. They are baked out of a rainbow, and these are unicorn's favorite colors. Add 2 eggs to 10 fluid ounces of milk. Put in 2 tablespoons of sugar and beat it up using a whisk. Add half an ounce of baking powder to 10 ounces of flour. Put it into the mixture of milk and eggs. Miss Gonzalez is a real magician when it comes to cooking. She mixes all the ingredients thoroughly. Melt 3 ounces of butter and pour it into the dough. Divide the dough into 3 parts. Add liquid food coloring into each one. Mix it thoroughly. Fry the pancakes on low heat. The cooking guru is masterfully skilled at turning pancakes in the air. Miss Gonzalez puts the pancakes into a pile, adding some topping. Put colorful sprinkles on top, and breakfast is ready. Happy Miss Gonzalez calls Unicorn to come and have breakfast. Where has her rainbow animal gone? Here it is, ready to taste the pancakes. Unicorn loves the colored pancakes. It is the best breakfast in the world. Unicorn's face gets covered with bright sprinkles after it tastes the rainbow food. One should take a walk after such a filling breakfast. Unicorn loves running and jumping on lawns. It enjoys nature and the sun, and it tastes bright flowers. Hide and seek is Unicorn's favorite game. This is exactly why it is so difficult to meet them in their natural habitat. But Miss Gonzalez can find her unicorn in the densest and the most blooming bushes. Poor unicorn! It is not used to climbing up the hills. Laws of gravity work against it. Ugh! Miss Gonzalez, you shouldn't have fed your pet so much, and now she has to carry the animal on her back. Unicorn loves picnics. It can enjoy flowers and play active games. And what more? It can eat tons of yummies outdoors. What has Miss Gonzalez prepared? Sweet popcorn! Put popcorn into 3 containers. Add food coloring to hot water and pour it into a cup of sugar. Stir till the sugar dissolves. Prepare 3 differently colored mixtures and pour the sweet syrup on top of the popcorn. Mix it so that it is colored evenly. Put the popcorn onto a tray covered with baking paper and dry it out in an oven at a minimal temperature. Unicorn is mesmerized by the colorful popcorn. The color is so tempting, and it crunches so loudly in the mouth. The airy rainbow corn for the fairy tale rainbow unicorn. Miss Gonzalez has had too much fun and fresh air, so she feels drowsy. But the unicorn can't sit still. It has to investigate everything around. Miss Gonzalez carelessly lets her pet go for a walk all alone. It means a lot of freedom for Unicorn. When Miss Gonzalez wakes up, she doesn't find her unicorn anywhere. Her precious animal, her chewing love. Oh no! Her beloved unicorn is lost. What if it's been kidnapped and held in a secret zoo of magic animals? Poor little Unicorn is completely alone in this cruel world. Unicorn is weeping too. It's gotten lost and can't find its way home. Everything around is so strange. Where is Miss Gonzalez? Oh, fate is cruel. It separated them forever. What to do to find Unicorn? I've got an idea. Unicorns have a keen sense of smell. I need to lure it with the smell of yummies. Miss Gonzalez is desperately rushing to her kitchen to come up with a luring recipe. What if I improve a regular Oreo? Stick an Oreo onto a drinking straw. And dip it into melted glaze. Sprinkle it with candied fruit on top while the glaze hasn't hardened. Lure Unicorn with food operation starts. Miss Gonzalez paves the way home with the rainbow cookies. I hope it will work. It is impossible for any unicorn to miss these aromatic colored cookies. And if the cookies do not work, then I will use different sweets. Miss Gonzalez hurries up to cook something else. Culinary intuition has never let Miss Gonzalez down. Unicorn can smell the cookies. The scent is incredible. It snacks a little, calms down, and follows its instinct. It easily locates the yummies by the smell. Miss Gonzalez racks her brain on how she can lure her unicorn. And what about stick candies? Thread colorful sweets onto wooden skewers. Turkish Delight, Fruittella, jelly candies, Marshmallow. Fold accordion style a long gummy rainbow belt. Knead Fruittella candy and shape it into a horn. Stick it on the tip of the skewer. The rainbow stick candies are ready. Now let's put them into use. Miss Gonzalez paves the way home with stick sweets. It's her last hope. She waits for the rainbow baby to trust its instincts and find the way home. Poor Miss Gonzalez. There is no sign of her unicorn. She holds the last stick rainbow candy in her hand and keeps crying. Suddenly, she hears someone knocking on the door. Is it really? But it appears to not be Unicorn. It's Frou-Frou. What a disappointment! Even such a stress reliever like Frou-Frou can't calm down Miss Gonzalez. She keeps weeping buckets. Guess who? Has my baby unicorn come home indeed? Finally, it has! Unicorn's gotten so hungry because of the stress, it gets down to the last stick rainbow candy at once. Poor unicorn's lost so much weight. I need to feed it with something tasty right now. But now it should have some rest. And Miss Gonzalez will cook a rainbow cheesecake in the meanwhile. Mash 10 ounces of Quark cheese with a blender. Add 3½ ounces of sugar. And put in 1 ounce of gelatin mixed with water. Blend everything. And divide the mixture into 3 parts. Add a few drops of liquid food coloring into each. Stir and put the bowls in a fridge. Take the mass out of the mold when it hardens. Snip off the top and put the colored layers one onto another. Cut out a heart with a cookie cutter. Take away the excess. Cover a part of the cheesecake with a spatula and add sprinkles on top of the rest of it. Add edible beads. Make 2 ropes out of Fruittella. Twist them together and shape it into a unicorn's horn. Cover it with edible pearl powder. Stick it into the cheesecake using a toothpick. The unicorn feels the luring smell of the cheesecake even through the walls. A cake. It tastes like a rainbow. It's juicy and bright. And now Miss Gonzalez reveals the secret of making rainbow donut glaze to her unicorn. But let's make it together. Pour milk into 3 separate bowls. Put in condensed milk and add gelatin dissolved in water. Let's put in a little rainbow. Add different food coloring into each bowl. Then pour the rainbow glaze on top of donuts. Colorful donuts are so beautiful and delicious. Finger-licking food. Miss Gonzalez is so happy that her unicorn has come back that she is ready to give all the yummies in the world to it. Eat, eat, my precious. This is all for you. However, this time Miss Gonzalez has tried way too hard. It turns out that too many sweets are as harmful for unicorns as for people. They put on excess rainbow weight at once. Did you like the adventures of our baby unicorn? Then give your thumbs up if you want to see a new healthy menu for unicorns made especially by Miss Gonzalez for not putting on excess weight. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new rainbow recipes on the Troom channel.